and putting them in the cap.
Yeah, you can see on the sunflower the kind of sacred geometries that are on there. Let's see, right there we can see that. But look at the patterns on the sunflower. There are circles. It's like a flower of life. You can see these spirals. And because of the geometries and the way the seeds are tucked in there, you see how nature works so beautifully. This is a beautiful little diamond pattern in here. And it's lots of fun pulling them off. See, you can just pop them right out. They're so pretty. And it's fun playing with them. Yeah, sure.